Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with a pretty original Bowman M140, 1928 through 1936, with the original box, which I thought was kind of interesting. You don't get that all the time. A lot of times they don't survive. But I don't think she's ever been cleaned up much lately. So I thought I would just show it before I did any cleaning to it. I believe we're missing the chimney. May have to fabricate one or come up with something. I think we can. This is a twin cylinder. I really like Bowman's. Something about them, they're just quirky. Got that gear reduction drive, so that's always something to watch and do. And this is a before shot, so we're just going to see how this comes out. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.